So hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you our entries for today and the trades we took and the logic behind them. So this is our channel. We provide daily signals to our members. To join this, you can just click on the link in description or just message us on @support on Telegram. So the session started from right here, and the first signal was for Apple OTC for the call side. This was a very good win. Here you can check out. In this trade, there was a good uptrend going on, and the price was near the moving average. This was a confirmation to take this trade for the call side. As soon as the price touched the moving average, we took a trade for the call side with a good entry, and we won this trade. Many of you ask, like, what should we keep the timer for the candles and the trade timer? You should keep them both 5 minutes. Keep your trade timer to the 5 minutes flag mode and your candle timer to 5 minutes. Both should be 5 minutes. So yeah, and always mind with the entries, you take the best entries out of every trade. We tell you the direction, you just have to go to that direction with a very good entry, so your winning increases. The next signal was for Dogecoin OTC for the call side. In this, I will just mark the support level. As soon as the price reached the support level, we took an entry at the support level for the call side, and we won this trade. Very good win for us. The next signal was for Tesla OTC for the put side. This was also a very good win. In this trade, the price was moving down, a good downtrend was going on. Plus here was a resistance level. You can just see candles just started rejecting from this movement, and we took an entry at the resistance level for the downside. The moving average was also indicating, plus the resistance, plus the downtrend, 3 confirmations. We took this trade, and an amazing win right there for us. The next signal was for FedEx OTC for the call side. Again, a very good win. You can just easily identify the support level here because the candles were rejecting multiple times, and as soon as the price reached it again, with the confirmation of the moving average plus with the confirmation of the support level, we took a trade for the call side and we won this trade. Amazing wins. Our entries are based on resistance, support, and the moving average, and these were our confirmations for today. Thank you so much. These are our wins. See you in the next video for non-article wins. Thank you so much. Goodbye.